We woke up today in our new place. It's lovely, very farm-like. Roosters, like 50 of them probably, screaming all night. Now they stopped because it's daytime. But these guys they scream all night. I thought they only screamed in the morning. I mean, usually they do. And they have a hot tub here. Don't know why they covered it, because you can't sit in it and watch the stars. But that's extra, $35.
Heladito refrescante, son los granizados.
Owl. Lovely.
Wow.
I don't mind painting. Take a video of the gordita.
To the water.
Juan was saying that years ago none of this was here.
It was wild.
It was all wild. You could jump in.
Jump in.
And then somebody died, and they closed it all up. So nice. Like I said, nothing.
That's what it was.
Are there places like this that are still wild?
Yeah, but you have to go way out. That's not a 4x4 way out in there. That's perfect, huh? Little waterfall.
Lovely to get into this water, but that water down there, that's where the real action is.
It's like super touristy.
Yeah, the American.
Water.
Good. It refreshes your feet. Come on, princess, put your feet in the water.
It's therapeutic. I call Chile the uncomfortable beauty. I'm gonna write a song. I'm gonna call it The Uncomfortable Beauty. out of here. I don't want to get too happy with nature.
Going home in a few days. Sad. But at the same time, you get to visit your favorite restaurants again.
I've missed my life. You don't mind this one, right?
It's good to get yourself out of your own element sometimes.
Yeah, I heard that one.
Now you have your abuelitas.
I love the abuelitas.
It's
I
snail.
think Chile could totally be Mike's cup of tea.
Yeah. It's more pasado.
Yeah, I mean, no, it's got a lot to give. But, it's about countries. It's far from succeeding. Is he gonna do a last one?
Argentina?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How old is he now?
Probably near 60.
We have to go that way?
Yeah, this is the end.
Fin del paseo.
Sturdy, strong branch, man. Yeah? Come in.
Jump from here to there.
Ooh.
That was epic. You get that video, you're gonna at least 2 more followers. And if you die for,
That's a lovely jump, actually.
look at that fish just chilling. We can go get the fucker. That's like from there is an easy jump.
Like everything you're not supposed to do, no? Jumps in, takes the fish out, makes a ceviche. Neat.
Like no one would tell you shit. And then you get a picture there. You can video from like here, there, and here. Like you get like a 3. No?
Wow, the water's so clear.
Basically like a cenote.
It is a cement.